Hello guys, welcome to Creative Corner by Varsha. Today I'm going to do another unboxing video and this time it is from Itsy Bitsy. So you can check it out on www.itsybitsy.in. I will show you that later. Let's first open this box. So let's open our cutter and we are ready. So guys, do you know it is best craft store in India and they have 40 store all over India. You can also shop online at www.itsybitsy.in. So let's open the package. I'm super excited. This box is full of different art and craft supplies. So let's see what we have first. First we have this sponge blender and we have 10 pieces here. I will open all this product and will tell you what craft it is used for. So next we have is this little birdie deco varnish mat. This is used on acrylic painting to secure it for a long time. Next we have is this white gesso. It's 100 ml and it is used on MDF as a base. And this is acrylic chalk paint and crushed glass. This one is also used on MDF as a base paint. And I have ordered the crushed glass for resin art. Let me show you the pieces here. Okay. Then this heart-shaped silicone mold is again for the resin art. They have different trays available for resin like alphabet, circle and so much more. And here we have this mica powder and chalk acrylic paint from Little Birdie, and we have already seen one chalk acrylic paint and this one is free because they were having an offer buy one get one free, so I got this one free. And this mica powder is for my resin art. This is golden in color and I will use it so you can see how it will look. Then this is the same acrylic paint that I have shown you. Then this is a big MDF of alphabet S. I will open it and will show you how thick it is. So this is how it looks. So on the base you need to use something. So here I will use white gesso while working on this, and after that I will use whatever medium I want to use. If you will not use white gesso or chalk acrylic paint on MDF, you will not get desired result. So it is important to use a base. And next I have this concentrated watercolor ink from Little Birdie. I wanted it for so long and finally I have 6 shades: Orange Fizz, Rosy Mist, Aqua, Crimson Berry, Lemon Squeeze and Spring Leaf. I'm super excited to use this watercolor ink, so I'm definitely going to make a separate video on this. And next we have pigment ink pad. The shade I have here is berries and roses. They have few other shades also available. The best thing I love about this pad is we have 4 different shades in single ink pad. And this is Itsy Bitsy MDF and we have 4 round coasters here. Next we have sand. Yes, this is desert sand and I have ordered this one for resin art. They have a lot of products. Seriously, whatever you need you will find it on their site. These are Faber-Castell brush pens. This is deco transfer sheet and we have Iron Man theme here. Let's see. Step-by-step instructions are also provided on the back side of it. So we're definitely gonna try this. So let's do a quick recap of what we have in here. We have this deco transfer sheet, then the pigment ink pad, brush pens from Faber-Castell, silicone mold for resin art, then this mica powder from Little Birdie, crushed glass, this one is again for resin art, white gesso and chalk acrylic paint. Then we have one more chalk acrylic paint. Next is this deco varnish. Then we have this MDF, letter M and letter A. I have randomly ordered that. Then 4 round MDF coasters, desert sand, and the big MDF for alphabet S. This pretty concentrated watercolors. And the last is the sponge blender. Okay, one more important thing is you can see this QR code here. This is for the free video tutorial. You have to open your camera and you have to scan this code and you will be redirected to the video tutorial on YouTube. They have this QR code on most of their products, so you just have to scan it and you can find the tutorial on how to use it. So guys, it's time to check out the site. So all you have to do is type itsybitsy.in and you will be redirected to their online store. So let's do it. So there's a sale going on right now, and when you will open the Itsy Bitsy page, you will see sign up and save. So all you have to enter your email and subscribe, and you will be updated with all the new offers and products. As we scroll down, you can see different categories here. We have the buy one get one offer on different categories like handmade flowers, sparkle paste, stone texture paper, and so much more. So you just have to scroll and find the category that you want to buy. Like we have papers, then markers, stencils, watercolor inks. Then moving down, we have more categories like color splash, chipboards, coasters, pearl drop, chalk paint, alphabets. You can see the variety of products they have all the products under one store. You will find almost everything here. Then on few products you will also find buy two get one offer. And then you can shop according to theme like Marvel theme, Frozen theme. You can also shop according to brands. And now let's see how many brands they have. Just have a look at it. Then you can also shop by category, like if you want to buy something related to stationery, just click on stationery. If you want to buy something related to baking, then click on baking. And if you are into jewelry, then you will also find a lot of jewelry material there. And now I'm at the top of their site, and under the Disney and Marvel we have four themes. Then we have buy one get one free, buy two get one free. They also have calendar for 2022. Now I'm just seeing the new arrivals. So these are all the new arrival product, and they launch a variety of new products every month. And one more important thing that I want to share with you guys is that you can use my code Varsha5 to get extra 5% discount. I'm sharing the link and the coupon code in the description box. Also guys, just check their site and let me know if you want me to try something special from their site. I will definitely order it and will try it for you guys. You can just go to categories, find different categories and check it out. You can order for yourself and also comment below whatever you want me to try. This was all about today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.